Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Melbourne red BMW M140i. Now of course this is a 3 litre twin turbo straight 6, boasting around 335 brake horsepower. You get full LED headlights and daytime running lights, as this is the Shadow Edition. You then also get these 18-inch alloy wheels, again, which you will get as it is the Shadow Edition. Coming out and around again, just to the rear of the car, as you can see, you've got rear parking sensors, you've got the dual exit exhaust. Then into the tailgate, as you can see, you have got plenty of room inside of here, including your 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with the boot floor. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now. As you can see, we've got full black leather interior with the Isofix mounting point to the bottom. You've then of course got the blue M Sport stitching. Into the front, we've got Harman Kardon audio, as you can see just here. And then we also have the black leather continuing into the front. Inside, again, with this being the Shadow Edition, you get the Pro Nav screen for the iDrive, which you can see at the top. Your iDrive controls are in the middle. You've got an 8-speed ZF gearbox. Then you've also got your drive select, so you do have Eco Pro, Comfort, Normal, and then your Sport Plus. Then we've got dual climate control as well with your air conditioning. Media controls are just here as well. Then up to the Pro Nav itself, you can see that we do have your various audio sources just here. You've got Bluetooth hands-free, and then you also have satellite navigation just in there. Then over to the steering wheel, you get your cruise control and speed limiter on the left. Over to the right, you have your track select, Bluetooth, audio sources, volume, voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free. Your onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk. And then coming up to the main display, as you can see, this 140 has done 56,135 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this BMW M140i, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.